There's a couple different versions of the equation of a line. Now the two we're going to focus on here are the standard form versus the slope-intercept form. Now the slope-intercept form you're used to, we've been working with it a lot today, this chapter. And that's y equals mx plus b. The reason they call it slope-intercept form is kind of an obvious one, because when you look at the equation, you automatically see the slope and you see the y-intercept. You don't have to do any manipulating. It's right there. You know exactly what they are just by looking at it. Now, standard form, you do not see either of those things. Standard form, you have your x and y still, but what happens is x and y are on the same side of the equation. And then you'll notice that we have these a's and b's in front of them. Now those are coefficients, so those are still numbers in front of them. And then we have equals to a constant, so another number on the other side of the equation. Now this is standard form, so standard form x and y are on the same side of the equation. The other special thing is that all of a, b, and c, all of those have to be whole numbers. You cannot have a decimal or fraction there. And so that's the tricky part when you're trying to make something standard form, is the fact that you can't have a fraction. So I'll just give you a couple examples here. So we could have 3x minus 2y equals 7. We could have negative 4x plus 6y equals 12. So those would be in standard form, whereas slope-intercept form, you already know that one, is something like this. Okay, so if you're looking for standard form, x and y are on the same side, and the numbers in front, the coefficients, have to be whole numbers.